I would first want to set expectations so that you're not trying to accomplish everything all at once, because that's an impossibility. Sets us expectations for how things are staged in. Again, as I said earlier, we first are going to transition from your legacy system to Sage Intacct. That in of itself is a big task, because we're going to be looking at the general ledger for designs. We're going to be looking at integrations for automations. We're going to be looking at how you want to now use a new dimensional structure that you didn't have in your legacy system. We're going to be examining the different structures for vendors and for customers, setting up bank accounts, setting up bank feeds. So all of these are involved in this initial implementation, which is a big lift in and of itself. From then, it's about staging in the other things that are most important to them. I try to get to the point of like, what are the priorities? Like which things do you want prioritized to get once we get you up and running? And from that standpoint, we can then kind of map out how that process would work that'll most benefit you guys, the new team or the new system with the team. And from there, I think that you can not overwhelm them, if you will. And also, I feel like it's a benefit if we stay in touch with them. We try to stay involved for the first 45 days after an implementation, because just questions come up with a new system, how to do things. And the more you can make people comfortable with just walking them through a simple process like the first bank reconciliation, or how to cut a check, or how you can enter certain data in the simplest form, or how you can create import files in the system that will streamline your manual entry of data dramatically. The more you can show them that benefit is, I recently showed a staff person how they could take an import file for payroll that they were manually entering over an hour or so and simply do it in about 5 minutes. I mean, the more they realize the benefits of the system using the system itself and the technology that's there, then I find that they are less overwhelmed and have an opportunity to buy into what can be a really nice process change.